Well, we're dealing with lyricists, a very valuable skill, a very valuable talent for sure. But if you just wanted to sell your lyrics, that'd be very difficult. Very, very difficult, especially in this environment where, people can get online and, they can find a lot of resources to help them with their lyrics. But beyond that, just selling poems, really, that's going to be very hard to do. What lyricists need to do, if that's your specialty, if that's your strength, if that's where you shine, what you need to do is hook up with someone with one of these, okay? Someone that is really good at writing melodies and is struggling with lyrics. And you'd be surprised how many people there are out there, how many songwriters that really are great with the melodic aspect of songwriting, but struggle immensely with lyrics. I've known songwriters, and actually I've fallen into this trap myself during dry spells, where I've written a song, I'm so happy, I'm so pumped, I want to get the song written, like lyrics written. I've done everything. I've done the chords, I've done the foundation, I've done my progression, I've done, I know exactly what style it is. I got the melodic line, which is a big deal. I got that. It's pumping, it's rocking, but I got no words, I got no lyrics, I don't have a story. And then I start writing the story, and because I'm in a dry spell, I'm in a slump, I'm just racking my head and I can't figure anything out. This is a big problem. I mean, this is huge. I mean, so the lyricists are very valuable in times like these, and some people actually struggle, period, with lyrics. They never get past that hump. They always have problems, and they're always struggling with the lyrics. So my advice is, as a lyricist, hook up with songwriters that are playing an instrument, are writing melodies. Okay, back in the day, that's what they used to do. Back in the day, if you look at the credits of most of the songs, back in the day, the days of Elvis, as an example, in the 50s, 60s, in the 70s, it became less and less common. But back in the day, if you saw the credits of a song, you would see performed by, lyrics by, and melody by, or music by. So you have music, lyrics, performance, 3 different people. Okay, and even now you have multiple songwriters on a song. Okay, it's not uncommon even to have like 5+ songwriters on a song these days. It's crazy. That happens. But to have a specific one person writing only lyrics, one person writing only melody or music, and another person performing the song. Okay, it's not as common these days, but it used to be. So you can have a pretty amazing team. Elton John is a great example of that. Elton John doesn't write a word, doesn't write any lyrics. He has a guy, and I always forget his name, Toppin or something his name is, but anyway, he writes the lyrics, and they do it the other way around. He writes the lyrics first, sends the lyrics to Elton John. Elton John will put melody to the lyrics, which is pretty amazing. But they are a duo in a sense. No one ever hears of this guy, the lyricist. Okay, he's in the back. He's in the backstage. He's not, he's not in the limelight, and maybe he prefers it that way. Whatever, it doesn't matter. The point is that they write the songs together. Okay, one writes the lyrics, one writes the melody.